was the host of this very significant event, and my colleagues and some students took part in it. They shared their ideas about unity in diversity. We have here a diverse community. BSBI can be considered as the most significant example of diversity. More than 110 different nationalities live together at BSBI. And showing respect to each other, going for equal rights, makes it easier to live beside each other.
Our strength lies in diversity, which will allow us to learn from each other if we truly listen. And our different realities and experiences will contribute to our shared success. And I hope that we will work together to get a better future for all of us.
To celebrate Women's Day every day, we have to start from the very beginning. We have to change the approach, how we grow our girls. Because we have to grow them in a way that they learn to be heard, that their voice is important. We have to grow the confidence. We have to grow the idea that everything is possible. We have to motivate them. We have to teach them how to speak out, how to turn into leaders. That is very important. And then we can celebrate Women's Day every day. Because then we will speak not only about diversity, we can speak about equality and equity and the rights for everyone, not only for the female.